function. That's not total.
We're gonna put on some fireworks show. Let's go. Happy 4th if you celebrate it. Born in the J. Woo! This is a TNT pack that Dan picked up at Publix. All right. They have like different names for them. So hay fever, rose blossom. That sounds like it's gonna be pretty. But I'm always so freaked out by fireworks. Kellan is not the biggest fireworks person, so we're experimenting. Please be careful. We don't want to see you in the ER.
Go extreme with my emergency stuff.
All right, you see the back? This is Broward Fire Academy.
I was certified at some point.
This was my firefighter. I really want you to wear gloves, but
I was.
light it and run. Uh-oh. Hurry, hurry. I don't know if they can go. Look, Baba. Fire. Fire. Oh, no. Ooh, come back. You didn't see something spark by your foot? Yeah, that one went a little high. Yo, why would you drive by that? Pew, 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 pew. So how much was this box?
$20.
Peep, 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 peep. Peep, 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 peep. Wow, they're big. $134 like this. But family's out watching fireworks. So thanks for joining on our 4th of July adventure.
Results due after they got the goal. The FIFA World Cup, another matchup between
That was actually kind of touching to see.